Okay, now we move to another paragraph. She didn't dare give a word for what she thought of her father just then. The word, whatever it was, too terrible. Nitya didn't realize that she had slid on the floor. Her trembling legs, trembling both from exertion and fear, had literally let her down, like her tongue had let her down. It always did. She could never control it. Your tongue is too long for your mouth, she was often told. Crossing her eyes, she stuck her tongue out as far as it would go, pointed and sharp. It looked as razor sharp as she was always told it was. Trouble was, she didn't even always agree with it. Sometimes it said things that she herself could never, ever have dreamt of, like just now, for instance. Alright, so the meaning of this paragraph is, firstly note down the meanings, right? Instances, an example. Alright, so she didn't dare give a word for what she thought of her father just then. Alright, the word, whatever it was, the word that she said, right? It had a deep meaning that I'm not a butter chicken, don't order me, don't give orders to me, right? She said that. So she was little afraid. She was terribly in a shocked state, right? She had slid on the floor. Her legs were trembling because she has run and came up the stairs. All right. So often she was told that your tongue is too long for her. Means that according to her age, she speaks a lot, right? She gives back answer. She was often told about this thing, but she never would agree this, right? So now when she crossing her eyes, she stuck her tongue out. So what she did, she just took out her tongue out and she stretched her tongue. She often looked, it was just like razor sharp. She looked at, she just observed her tongue that it was very sharp, as she was always told. Trouble was that she never agreed with it. Why? Because she did the things she could never ever believe that she would be doing. She just did it without thinking. For instance, for example, right? She just now she did, right? All of a sudden it came from her mouth. So that was not planned. That just happened, right? So for instance, now the thing that had happened, right? Instance means an example. Alright, then in the next paragraph, I'm not a butter chicken, you can't order me. Wow, it was a pretty smart thing to say. Much smarter than anything she could possibly have thought of by herself. So she was thinking that was very smart that she just spoke it up. And I'm not a servant or something else that you will order me every time. So she carefully wasn't that smart, but she wasn't that smart. If she were, suppose when you speak so much to your parents, when you argue with your parents and you try to win that argument, right? When you win that argument, what do you think? You did a very good thing, that you did very smart thing. But if you are smart in speaking such words, so she also thought she must, if she wasn't that smarter, if she would have been that smarter, she would have get better marks in school, right? So this was that was too smart for its own good, too long for its own mouth. She stretched up a bit and tried to get a better look at the chrome of the door handle. So she stretched her tongue towards the chrome. Chrome means a short, shiny, right, shining thing. She stretched her tongue till there. All right, then she tried to touch it, but her distorted, reflection. What had happened to her reflection? Right, so her distorted reflection stared back at her. She was stretching her mouth. She could see in that shot of chromium or shiny reflective metal. She can see her own image that it was already staring back at her. Now her eyes bulging in disbelief. Bulging means swelling out. Her eye was swelling out. In disbelief means lack of faith. Alright, in lack of faith, her tongue rippled restlessly. Ripple means a small wave. It was just rippling restlessly, right? Never still. Even for a split second, it was never still. It was rippling. She tried to hold it still. She was trying to hold her tongue still. If you take out your tongue and try to hold it, so it will not. It will just shake and ripple, right? But it rippled like a hyperactive pink python. What is hyperactive? Hyperactive means more active than normal. Pink python. Python is related to what? Is a large snake that kills animals by squeezing them with its body. So here her pink python means her pink tongue. Her tongue was just like a python that she has python. Sorry. So how she has done that activity of replying her father back, the tongue is compared to pink python. All right, so this much for now. In the next session we will again discuss the story. Thank you.